This simple but profitable trend continuation strategy just needs one indicator and 3 easy steps. So first, you'll just need to put on your VWAP on market open. And then I like to start trading at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here we are on Monday, the 16th of February at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the first thing we're going to look for is price acceptance beyond the bands. So what that means is not just a wick below the lower band or above the higher band, but real acceptance outside of it, as you can see here. Although this was earlier than we would typically trade, this would count as acceptance. After that, you'd look for a retest and then a continuation candle. So let's just play price forward and see if we get some setups. So while price is spending time accepted within the bands, you can consider this to be a ranging market where you'd want to buy low or sell high. But for this setup, we're looking at the price continuation. So we need to start seeing some closes below the bands or above them. So here we start to see some closes well below the lower bands. And from here, we would look for a retest and continuation. So let's see if we get it. Okay, and so here we get a retest and then a decently strong down closed candle. So this would be good enough to enter a short position. Okay, so here we can put our short in on the candle close. Stops just a little bit above this band. And I like to target a 1.7 R. Okay, and you can see we get another retest, another rejection, and we don't quite hit the take profit there until we come back again and hit it. So after the take profit is hit, then we can start looking for more trades. We would not, enter another position after the second retest. We just let the trade play out. And so as you can see, price is in a strong downtrend with price discovery now that we're accepted outside of the bands to the downside. Okay, and so now we get another retest and again a strong down closed candle. So we can enter another short position here at the close. Again, stops just inside the bands to give it a little bit of breathing room. And we'll target that 1.7 R. So here we are retesting the zone again. And there finally we get the drop to the take profit. And we'll see if we can get one more. Okay, and so we would not have entered quite yet here. That's not a very strong close below, but here on this close, that's good enough to enter short. Because again, we've spent time accepted outside of the bands, retested, and closed back down. And so you see this one, I believe, yeah, so this one we got a decent continuation before eventually coming back up. This one I did actually close early. I should probably just let them play out, but I did notice, as you see this downtrend, we actually made a higher high here, looking like maybe the start of a reversal. And here, if we pull a fib, you can see it had a perfect bounce right off that golden pocket, which I put between the 618 and the 707. So as soon as it started reacting strongly out of here, I did close this one early, but the wins are bigger than the losses, so 2 wins and a loss is still pretty good. And so this strategy is so easy and rules-based and mechanical that I was actually able to turn it into a fully automated trading bot. So I'll just pull up my VPS and you can see the executions here. And so these are the same trades that I just went through, and all of these executions were done completely automated. So I just clicked the on button and it took them for me. So there's the first win, and here's the second win. And as you can see, this third trade would have been a loss as we didn't quite get down to take profit. As I mentioned, I did close it early, but when I turn this back on, it just kind of shows the executions as they should be in regard to the strategy. So that's what that's showing. So hopefully that setup made sense to you. And if you're interested in learning more about some of these VWAP or Fibonacci setups, go ahead and join the free Discord. And that's also where you will find information on this trading bot. I've just started using it, but I would like to start offering it for others to use very soon. So yeah, come on and join the free Discord if you're interested, and hopefully see you in there. Thanks.